My biggest thing that I advise people is when you're arrested, shut up. And I mean that respectfully, but do not say a thing. Because what people often do is they try to explain themselves. They try to make it so that the police officer understands what's going on. The problem is the more you talk, the more you can get yourself into trouble, even if you're trying to help your case. The best thing you can do, even if you're innocent, is remain silent. And people often confuse this with being rude or being difficult to law enforcement. That's not the case. What I'm trying to help you understand is you need to remain silent in order to protect your rights, but you don't need to be in any way defensive or combative. The other things to remember is if you're being arrested, you have a right to ask why you're being arrested, what the charges are so that you can understand. You also have the right to ask for an attorney. Now, the key is when you ask for an attorney, it has to be an unequivocal ask. In other words, you can't say, well, I think I need an attorney. Thinking isn't asking. You need to be definitive and firm and say, I want to talk to my attorney, and then refuse to answer any other questions.